Welcome to the big, beautiful Bella Luci kitchen here in sunny Northern California. Today's recipe will introduce you to our brand new Meyer Lemon vinaigrette, part of our new California-inspired salad dressing line. This refreshing Orzo salad is a fabulous way to show off our dressing's lemon, basil, and honey flavors. Now let's get cooking. Just like in Italy, we're gonna salt our water for the pasta. Orzo is a kind of a pasta. And at a rolling boil, we're gonna enter the pasta and give it a good stir and stay stirring for about a minute so it won't clump together later. Okay, we're gonna cut the asparagus for the saute. We're gonna cut the stems off of the tips. We're gonna use whole tips today. And then we'll cut the stems into smaller pieces as they're not as tender as the tips. Going into the bowl to set aside for the saute. Okay, next in the process, we're going to peel and chop garlic. I like a lot of garlic. You can use more or less as your taste decides. I'm gonna chop the garlic kind of rough today, so the pieces aren't tiny and you really get a nice hit of the garlic. Let's strain the pasta. Ready? For this delicious recipe, we're going to use our sun-dried tomato julienne's oil to saute the asparagus and garlic. We're gonna put the asparagus first so that the garlic doesn't get overcooked. This is also a nice way to use all of the product in the jar. Okay, the oil is starting to get hot. Okay, so asparagus first. Give it a nice stir and let it begin that cooking process. I've got a beautiful green color on the asparagus, so here comes the garlic for its short-ish saute. And we'll give that a stir. And the entire kitchen is beginning to smell like the kitchen of an Italian grandmother. Another essential element of the recipe, the red onion, which adds color, flavor, and crunch. We're gonna do small half moons, cut this way with 1/2 of the onion. This will all go into our bowl. Last little touch before assembly is the prezzemolo, the parsley. This is Italian parsley, flat leaf. You can use either flat or curly because you're the chef. I'm gonna give it a rough chop so that when you take each bite, you taste everything in the recipe. Let's get the pasta into the bowl first. We're gonna put everything in. We have our lovely aromatic asparagus with its individual tips. Let's get every little bit of flavor with the garlic and that teeny tiny bit of residual oil. Sun-dried tomatoes. This is the crown jewel of Bella Luci's line. And our sliced red onion. Beautiful. Bella Luci Meyer Lemon vinaigrette. Probably gonna use about 1/3 of a bottle. Half a bottle. And because it's a salad, I'm gonna toss it like a salad. Make sure it's well coated, beautiful color. I love the Italian theme of green, white, and red. This smells divine. We'll crumble the feta cheese on top. Many kinds of feta, but Greek is great. Coming together as a whole greater than the sum of their parts. The olive oil in our dressings is very important. We're one of the only companies to make 100% olive oil dressing. Lots of antioxidants, lots of flavor, big part of the Mediterranean diet. And we use premium ingredients in all of our products here at Bella Luci. Last little drizzle and a sprinkle of the parsley. And here you have our Orzo salad with our Meyer Lemon vinaigrette. Find it at a store near you.